Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a KuCoin merchant account. First, you'll want to understand the many benefits, such as posting ads and receiving dedicated customer support. Next, ensure you have all required documents ready, like your ID and proof of address. Then, simply create your KuCoin account if you haven't already, and find the merchant application section to start your journey. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth application process. Once you're ready, carefully fill out the application form with all your personal and business information. Accuracy is key here to avoid delays. You'll need to submit specific documents, such as proof of identity and any business registration papers. Also, be aware that a security deposit, typically 5,000 USD, is required to fulfill the margin requirements for merchants. This deposit helps ensure the integrity of the platform.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide useful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Quick recommendation: just like you're upgrading your trading game, why not upgrade your clean game? The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly, making your life easier. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
After submitting your application, the KuCoin team will thoroughly review all your details and documents. This review period can vary, but you'll usually receive an email notification regarding your application status. Once approved, your merchant features will be unlocked, granting you access to the full range of tools and privileges. If there are any issues, KuCoin will provide further instructions, so keep an eye on your inbox. With your merchant account approved, it's time to configure your profile. You'll want to set up your preferred payment methods and adjust your trading preferences to suit your needs. Familiarize yourself with managing your account settings to optimize your operations. Remember to always abide by KuCoin's merchant regulations, which emphasize timely responses, respectful conduct, and maintaining platform order. This ensures a positive trading environment for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.